Hello everyone, my name is Camille and I'm going to be your tutor of this course, Numerical Methods for Differential Equations and Applications. This is my email address, and if you haven't done that yet, please register at OLAT platform. So let's talk a little bit about how this course is going to happen. This semester we are going to have an online course. This is my first time that I experience this kind of lecture, recording my classes. So please be a little bit patient with that. So my plan is the following. I will try to release until Tuesdays the theory classes. Of course, this week it was not like I planned because of technical issues, but now I know how it works. So on Tuesdays I will release the theory classes, and this course has two parts, like the theoretical part and also the practical part, which is related to programming. So my plan is for us to have some meeting at Thursdays at 10, starting from the next week. And then I will just share some exercises, then we can discuss, and then I will give you some time to try to solve the exercise, and I will be in this time, in these 2 hours of meeting, available in case you need me. I have a room at video, so if we are less than 11 people, we can use this room. Otherwise, I can try to find another room. So please register at OLAT platform for me to know how many students you are. So the grades are going to be approved or failed, because it's not possible to do a proper written exam. So this semester, this course is going to be only weekly exercises. So every Friday you will have to handle me some exercise, starting from the next Friday. And if you handle me on the right time, 60% of correct exercise of computational or theoretical exercises, then you are considered approved in this course. Here I share the references of this course. I think that at least the physical books are available in the university library. I don't know if the ebook is available. Just let me know if you have some difficulty on finding these books that are in this list. So the first book is about numerical analysis, which is about the theory of the numerical methods and how they are constructed. The second book is more about the applications on biology, so it has many biological problems and how to model it using differential equations or other methods, other approaches. The third book is some elementary differential equations. So if you need to do some review about differential equations, I recommend this third book. And the fourth book, I think you might know it, is Stewart. It's some calculus book, just in case you need to do some review. So in this first class, I'm going to make some calculus review. So I'm going to define the concept of limit, continuity, derivative. So will be important on our course because when you have some differential equation, we are trying to find a function that satisfies that relation between the function and its derivatives of first order or second order or so. And it can happen that the solution or the function that satisfies this relation is not available analytically, or it can be hard to find such a function, such solution. So that's why we go for instead we choose to go for numerical approximations, which most of the numerical methods uses Taylor series to approximate such functions, which is just the idea is just approximate some function using polynomials. So if you have, for example, maybe you have heard of Fourier series. In the Fourier series, you use you approximate some periodic function using sines and cosines. And on Taylor series, you use polynomials of first order and infinite orders, because a series is some infinite sum. But it happens that, like on computer, we cannot, in reality, we cannot computate infinite sum. So it happens that when you cut the series, so instead of summing all the infinite terms, we cut at some point. We are having some error in this approximation. So the numerical methods theory is also about to get to know how much we are mistaking on that method by doing this approximation.